Hello, I'm Dr. Girija Patil. I'm a senior consultant breast and general surgeon at Noble Hospital. Today we are going to discuss frequently asked questions on screening and breast cancer. Okay, so how do we screen the breast? The commonest one is breast self-examination, which should be done by one individual at her own place. And I'll tell you how it is done ahead. And it's done monthly on the 14th day of your menstrual cycle. The second one is it is good to have a yearly specialist consultation and examination. And the third one is mammography for those women who are 40 plus. Now, breast self-examination. How the breast self-examination is done. This should be done in lying down position. It can be done while you're taking a shower at your place. So, on lying down position, make sure you use the pulp of these fingers softly. Run your fingers all around the breast, gently press them, and use three pressure methods. First should be a gentle pressing and looking at all quadrants of the breast. Also press little bit of nipple areola, see if there is any discharge coming from the nipple. Then increase your pressure little bit more, and third time make sure you increase your pressure so that you can feel your chest wall. This way, at three different small pressures, you would be able to feel your breast, both the breast and your armpits. Now, what is it that you're supposed to see? If you start your breast examination in your 20s, you will know the normal contour of your breast, normal feel of your breast. So when you do breast examination, you should be able to feel any abnormality in the breast tissue, any nipple discharge. You raise your hands up and see if there is any change of size, shape, any dimpling in the breast. Dimpling is the same thing which you get when you smile. That same dimple on the breast skin is not a good sign. Look for that. And any skin changes. These are the things which you should see in your breast examination. Of course, a lump, obviously, any lump in the breast. If you find any of these things, you should seek a consultant, specialist consultation. The triple assessment is how we assess a breast presentation, breast lump. What do we do? First is clinical assessment, second is investigative assessment, and third is pathological assessment. In clinical assessment, your history will be taken, your symptoms and signs will be asked, and you will be examined. And the clinician will come to his own diagnosis of what he thinks. Is it a benign kind of a lump, or does it seem like a malignant, or it is something which is suspicious in between. Then according to your age, depending on your symptoms and signs, he will assign you investigations. Either it could be a sonography, it could be a mammography, or it could be a breast MRI. Now let me say a few things about breast MRI. Breast MRI is gaining a lot of popularity in younger age group patients. If less than 40 years with USG abnormality, which we cannot place correctly as malignant or benign, breast MRI is a very good investigative tool in this age group. Then if you're more than 40, then he might ask you for a mammography. Coming to pathological, core biopsy or the gun biopsy is the commonest biopsy technique used recently for all breast lumps. Now we take a conclusion of all these three triple assessments that we have done, and then we can definitively tell you your signs and symptoms are of malignancy or of benign nature. It is very important, irrespective of your age, that you undergo this triple assessment and then come to a conclusion about your breast symptom. There are many recent advances in breast cancer treatment. So if you look at the staging of breast cancer is staged from stage 0 to stage 4. 0, 1, 2 are considered to be early breast cancer. And there is tremendous amount of recent advances and a lot of things that can be done at an early breast cancer stage. You do not have to lose your breast at all. we can offer you a breast conservation surgery with a very good cosmetic outcome, with symmetrization of both your breasts. Then stage 3 is considered to be advanced breast carcinoma. There is still very good options in advanced breast carcinoma also. And the fourth is metastatic breast carcinoma. In case you have to lose your breast, there is still an option of breast reconstruction. So not all hope is lost when it comes to breast cancer, but coming early and screening is the crux of breast cancer management.